Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Terry's Healthy Journey, and today I'm gonna show you how to make super detox juice. So this is what you need to make your super detox juice, and here we have pineapple, we have cucumber, we have celery, we have lemon, and we have ginger. So I've already washed my fruits. And cucumber, it aids liver and kidney functions. Lemon aid digestion. We have celery, and celery reduce inflammation, and it also flush toxins. Ginger reduce bloating, and it also boosts metabolism. Finally, we have our pineapple, which supports digestion. I'm gonna put them randomly. That is all for our super detox juice. Simple and very healthy. Guys, that's all for the super detox juice. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more healthy juices. Goodbye.